Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1995 Porsche C4 all-wheel drive. Got the owner Will here. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. What are you doing today, Will?
Not too bad, thanks. You?
So you own this one for a while, huh?
Oh yes, she's been with me since 2008. Babied, has never slept outdoors, heated garage, temperature controlled, and just an immaculate condition.
It really is like brand new. And you had some recent work done, right?
Yes, we did a complete overhaul only because it was time. We never did anything to it other than your basic oil changes and checking the brakes. You know, it's not a daily driver by any means.
Yeah.
But we wanted to do a complete engine reseal, and we did both all the air intakes, all the oils, everything. It was extensive. All the documentation is there.
Yeah, we have that bill. You guys can check that out on our website. I think it was like almost $8,000, right?
It was about $8,000, and it was done by SM Motorsports, who is an amazing Porsche doctor.
He is the doctor.
He is the doctor.
Beautiful, great colors, white on gray.
Very difficult to find this color scheme. I searched for a very long time, and the vehicle came up, and I jumped on it within seconds. Drove to Connecticut and picked it up in 2008. I had my wife, who was pregnant with my now 19-year-old daughter.
Wow.
Drive me up there.
Cool.
And that's the story.
The rest is history, huh?
Yes.
Sick. You know, once you have a Porsche, you always have a Porsche. It's like something in you.
The handling is absolutely incredible.
Phenomenal.
It's on rails with the all-wheel drive feature. It is absolutely amazing. Extremely forgiving on the road.
And just fun to drive.
Very fun.
Especially with a cabriolet. Jeez. I don't think there's one nick on this car.
It's really immaculate condition.
You also have the bra that goes up front. Boot. I think it's the first time you had the boot on, right?
It's been a while, yes. Might have used that boot twice.
Twice, right? Power top, 6-speed. Just a legendary car. Nicest one I've ever seen. Power seats. Custom stereo. Do you have the original stereo?
I do not. I got it with the Alpine, but you can find them online for a very nominal cost. Just to have it. Something I've been meaning to do, but haven't done it.
It's okay.
AC is ice cold on it. Everything works. Every button, every dial, everything works perfectly as it should.
That's gorgeous. I also noticed K40 up front.
Yeah, it does have a K40 up on the front plate. When you turn it on, you have to now hit the button on the key fob, and now you can. It's another safety. Another safety feature.
Is that like in a security alarm?
I'm sorry?
Is that like a security alarm?
It is. It's a security alarm, exactly. So even if you have the keypad, the key fob, and don't know that feature, it won't turn on.
Very cool.
If you look at the documentation of the work that was done, you're going to realize that every single bolt, screw,
belt, nut,
everything that was removed was replaced with a new one. Nothing old went back during that entire engine reseal and overhaul.
Wow.
And all original parts. It took quite some time. It took us about 6 months to do it all.
Wow.
And again, the Porsche doctor knowing the way I am, got the car on the lift. The car came down. Once it came down, it was tested. Everything was perfect. I went and picked it up. That car never sat on the ground until I picked it up.
Wow. Definitely the nicest one I've ever seen. You got the original owner's manuals. Obviously the receipt is included. It's got a little over 41,000 miles. jewelry, this car. Here's the bra I was telling you about. Full toolkit. It's complete. Everything's in there. Here's your RPO. Gorgeous. Man, I mean, look at the cadmium on that latch. Beautiful. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Will, gorgeous car.
Thank you.
Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.